cắt tay bố tay kem boss.
Ôi.
Ayan, aman, hindi mo na walk.
Eyes locked from across the room. Hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrifying our skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires.
I cannot cope.
What?
It's happening so fast, I cannot cope in. Cheers, cheers.
Out for the food, book activity,
Room service working?
yes, room service. You can order from the app.
Okay,
Or
from
you
the
can
app.
call, yes,
Oh,
or you
okay.
can call number 3.
That is so nice.
Or you can chat with us from the
Okay,
app.
chat.
What is the occupancy now?
Look at the milk for ants. That one.
Oh, that's real good.
Hey, Bill. This is actually very good.
Yeah. Let's see the prices. Let me see the prices. Wow! Saan siya? 310, 290, 130. Oh shit, so. Even 90. Machine. Fruit basket, they said. And okay.
Specialty.
And specialty. One only for two, no? Three. Everything that you need.
No, sit down properly.
It hurts.
Sit down properly. Lie down here. Lie down in this.
I have my own corner. Right. Own corner. And you see the waves. 1, 2.
Oh, that's real good.
You did? Okay, he's saying here if you use this it's 200 baht. And you can take it home. Robes, slippers, complete. Now, safe. What is this? For mosquito?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we can put it out. Oh, they also have rubber bands for your hair. That is so cool. Look, they know when you wash your hair. See? This is so good. It's your cotton for your face. And this is lotion. This is the first hotel that we have lotion.
Show.
On this trip, this is the only hotel that has
Another
lotion.
one was.
And this is hand wash. Also,
Mirror.
yeah, for your phone. You can open close.
Oh, that's real good.
And the sanitary bags are like this.
You and like your colon.
Oh, you can call anyone here. Shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Okay. This is your entertainment. Ah, this is the TV. Hmm? This is this one. Wow, with two USB, one here and one USB there. Kaka-settle down lang namin dito sa new hotel. And yun, nakapag-shower na ako after ng room tour. Bangkok, nag-Krabi kami. And then from Krabi, nag-Phi Phi kami. And then, instead of going to Phuket, like same nang ginawa namin before, nag-Phi Phi kami to Koh Lanta. And then Koh Lanta to Krabi Airport. And then BKK again. So, ayun, malapit na matapos yung bakasyon namin. It's 8:15. Can you imagine you want? The last one there is fun. Thank you.
คุณผู้หญิงไทยไหม
Philippines.
ฟิลิปปินส์
Thank you. Yeah, there is wine by the glass. Similar to the one which we drank yesterday. It's a local water.
local water ครับ
I also have ice on the side.
ice
Yeah. Thank you. Hmm? It is? I thought it's only one page.
These words are together with the digestives.
Ah.
They have tasty name.
Same as yesterday.
Thank you. Try something crazy. Tomorrow we can take out something.
Here?
We will have salmon, right?
Yeah.
Tasmanian salmon.
เอาเป็นไหมจัสมาเนลซัม
Just you send it whatever is ready.
curry from chef นะคะwatermelon with feta cheese
Thank you so much.
Thank you. But the watermelon, right? Nice.
if the someone already will bring
Thank you.
from
Right?
Yeah, please. Oh, perfect. Other. Ooh, move. Oh, it's alive.
It's very nice. Come on then.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ค่ะ enjoy นะคะไม่เท็กเนี่ย
Thank you. Mm.
Yeah.